my name is Caitlin and you're watching Cait Straight Up, and today I'm going to show you a really simple roasted Brussels sprout recipe. So I already did a roasted balsamic Brussels sprout recipe on this channel and people love it. I mean, I always see that the views are going way up, people are always looking at it, but I decided that since people like that recipe so much, I'm going to show you an easier Brussels sprout recipe in case you're not a balsamic fan, but that's just a really quick and easy go-to Brussels sprout recipe that you can make any night of the week with limited ingredients. So I like to start by cleaning up my Brussels sprouts a little bit and cutting them in half. You want to take off anything that doesn't look too good or might be brown and cut them in half like this and then put them in a bag. When you get them in a Ziploc bag like this, it's going to be really easy for all the ingredients to mix together before we pour them out onto our baking sheet. Once they're in the Ziploc bag, you're going to do about 2 tablespoons or so of olive oil, or if you're in Caitlin Gold language, I just do like a swirl or two. And that works as well. Just a few other ingredients. We're going to do some salt and pepper. So just get some pepper in there. And then I only like to do a little bit of salt. I don't add a lot of salt to anything. And final ingredient, I just browned up a little bit of some pancetta that I'm going to try to put in here backwards. Look at this. This is talent. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that into my bag here. So after that, you're just going to seal up your bag and give it a good shake. Like I said, this way the oil really gets on all parts of the Brussels sprout, so it kind of gets really even and just shakes up better. You can also do this in a mixing bowl. And then you are going to just dump it out onto a baking pan and then spread them out a little bit like so. After they're spread out like this, if you want to hit them with a little bit more salt and pepper, go ahead. And then they're going into a 400-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. You're going to want to kind of toss them from time to time to let them cook evenly. And that's it. A super easy Brussels sprout recipe. And after that time in the oven, you have delicious roasted Brussels sprouts. No crazy ingredients if you're not a balsamic fan, just a nice go-to recipe. It tastes delicious. You got a little bit of that bacon flavor from the pancetta. You could totally skip that if you do not want that on your Brussels sprouts, of course, but it couldn't be easier. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes every Tuesday. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.